There is one last place to go before we have the king's trial. The Palace of Justice. We need to get Judge Maxime to be part of the trial. Wow, I got a reputation? Amazing. I wonder who spread that reputation. It wasn't me. I bet it was Sparrowson, trying to make himself look awesome. Well, we're planning a trial of sorts. We want a case against the king. And we need you to be the judge. Yeah, Cocorico, he's in charge of the charges. He's the charger. Oh, no, we need judges. My grandfather? You knew my grandfather? Yeah, my grandfather wanted to prosecute King Louis XVI, and yet here we're defending the king. So why am I not a prosecutor? I wanted to leave his shadow. I want my own path. I don't want to be an imitation of Grandpa. Aw, thank you, Judge. That's fantastic. Maximilien Robespierre. Oh, that's our grandfather. Okay, then. He was one of the leaders of the French Revolution. Just check the history books to find out what happened to Maximilien Robespierre. Suffice it to say, he was very much involved with the French Revolution, and he sort of lost his head in all that business. Okay, I believe it's trial time. It's time. Time for the trial. Let's get going. The protest is happening at the palace. So we have to act now. Cocorico's going to go to the courthouse. We need to get the king. Okay, Royal Palace. We rush across the city. Angry people are watching them. Revolution is in the air. A crowd has started to form. Forget the numbers! We're number one. We're number one. We're here to save the king. Majesty, you need to come with us. They have a fish sale. Yeah, that should work. Oh, he doesn't want any fish. Okay. What? Gift, you stole that catfish from him. There are angry rebels outside. Come with me if you want to live. Okay, fine. Let's tell him there's a trial. Oh, he loves trials. Yeah, you're gonna testify. Testify on your own behalf. Okay, cool. So, trial time. Still kind of early in the morning. Uh-oh, Valerty. Hi, Valerty. I'm totally not a treasonous lawyer. I'm not a rebel dissenter. I'm peaceful. Aww, he's gonna let us pass. Thank you, Inspector. You're not that bad of a guy. Even if you change your mind. Okay, so, trial time. You're in the right spot, Your Majesty. We're here. Kokoriko's here. Jury? Jury is here. The king has just realized he's on trial. Just a short list of 32 crimes against France and its people. We're the defense attorneys. And don't worry, it will be a short trial. Okay, first charge. Charged with neglecting the lower classes. Wage gap, bad poverty, animals are forced to crime. Oh yeah, we're going straight for the jugular. I don't hate poor people, I just have mild contempt for them. The king is very nice to poor people. Why, some might say he's generous. Some people would. One example of the king being generous to a poor person, he gave financial aid to a beggar. Financial advice. Where's the beggar now? He runs a successful business. Maybe not because of the king, but it was implied, maybe? It's Reynard Volpez. Yeah, that guy. He's the one. The criminal who was tried for murder. Oh dear. Oh dear. Meanwhile, the rebels have charged the palace. Man, Prime Minister and the King disappeared. Yeah, Beck is totally not at your beck and call, lady! Okay. He's at the Palace of Justice. Please don't kill me. Well, it didn't take long to get him to crack. Charge 12. Oh dear, I have a feeling that all these charges just went through without problem. So he crushes small businesses in support of large businesses, which stops people from forming their own businesses. It's okay, Luna, don't be mad. Okay, so he's helped the local fishing industry. Sorry, I've got my puppy, Luna, on my lap here. So it's a fisherman who caught a catfish from the sign. And the king gave him a franc after stealing it. What? Yeah, he could have had a killer bait, like high-end chocolates. And I think that's a reference to the previous case. We could have used chocolates on Toussaint in order to get the fishing line. And meanwhile, the rebels have shown up over here. I'm sorry, Beaumont. He is not going to let you have the king that easily. Is that really the best way to go about it, Volarity?